more.
Alright.
You can get the next one. You can watch them if you want.
Alright.
Get the next crew dawning.
Come on, wall over here. What's up? You got the cushion? Yeah, I got a cushion. Alright, keep going right. Got another. What's this, Lord? Hey, go ahead and go around this couch, see if you can see anything. I got a wall. Another couch. Hold on. Let me move this cushion over here. What's that? Stretch out if you have to. Here's my leg. What? Stretch out if you have to. Oh, there's just a couch, yeah. Hold on. Let's go this way. Yeah, there's the couch. What? That's your leg? Yeah. Alright. I got a wire. I got a door. Are you in the doorway already? Yeah, I'm already in the door. Alright. I got a wire. We're gonna have to go under. What? Come here. Yeah. Grab my hand. Fill up. Stay here. I got a wire right here. Wire? That? What wire? Right here. On my hand. Oh yeah, I got it. Hold that up there. Hold it up there. Hold on, it's caught on me. You still got it? Can you back up a little bit? I'm all tangled up in it. Alright. You feel this wire right here? Feel that? Try to get it off my tank. Shit, dude, you're fucking way tangled up in there. Yeah, I know. Ready up? Yeah, go low. I'm on my stomach crawling through it. Tell me if you make it through too. We got another room. Yeah. I'm back. In this room we got a couch. You can stand out a little bit. Is your leg? That's my leg. Go ahead and stand out off it. Alright. Yeah, I'm stuck in the corner. You on the wire? Yeah.
Okay, get back in the upright position, then back up. Now swim it off your shoulders. There you go. Now swim it over both.
Go over. Control your breathing. You're sucking down a lot of air. Is there wire on me? That's my leg. Got it? I feel like I'm stuck in the wire. I'm coming back to you. Where you at? Where's the wire at? Alright. You got it? Where you at? I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Down to the hallway. Can we get out of this room? Calm down. Alright, I'm good. I think. You good? Where you at? Hold on. Alright, I'm good now. You good? Alright, go ahead and stand out. I'm right here to your right. Stand out to the left. I got your hand. The couch is just over here. Is there anything off the couch? I'm in the couch. You're in the couch? Yeah. Alright, keep going. Shit. I got you on a wall. You got a wall? I got a person. You got a patient? I think so. Alright. I got your leg. Keep on. Alright. Can we move the couch? Yeah, I gotta move the couch. Alright, let me get it. Alright. Yeah, I got him. You got him? You got help me carry him? I'll lead you out. You got him? Yeah. Alright, remember we have wires, so stick to the right side. Hey, help me out and get him, like we can tag team him. Come like under each other. Alright, where are you? You got it? No, I got you. Alright, he's right here. He's right here. Right here. Okay, I got it. I got an arm. What? I got his arm. Alright. Keep the wall to your left side and keep pulling him. I got the wall. I got the door there. I'm going to get his leg. Alright.
So what did I tell you to do to get him out? What's the best way to get him out?
Drag.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright. Hey, you stick on the wall. I'll drag him. Alright. Let me know if you want to switch. What? I gotta get these wires down. Alright. This is me. I'm totally breathing. Alright. Got me? Yeah, I'm coming. Alright, hold on, these wires. I'm gonna try to put them down. Hold on, I can't find the door. Can't find the what? Door. You stick to the right wall. There's like a couch in the way over here. Alright, I got a wall to the right. Let's just pull it out.
Talk to each other. What's the work as a team? Communicate.
Hey, come here, come here.
There you go. Let go of his mask. Let go of his mask. Stay low.
Go across my back.
Stay low, Whitmore.
There's a wall right here. Stay on that wall.
Low, low.
Yeah, right here. There's a wall. There, yeah. Pull all that out, alright? Pull this one up? Yeah. Alright. The one we came in off.
Get down, Whitmore.
We're going backwards, remember that. I know. Alright. Alright, here's the door. No, we're going backwards. Turn around. What do you mean? Come here. I'll go the other way? Yeah. You turn around and put your left hand on that left. Left hand. Left hand. Keep your right hand on my back. Right here? That's my hand. Put it on my back. Alright. I'm going to turn patient. And you keep your hand on my back and direct me. Cushion. You got what? A cushion. You got a what? Cushion. Okay. Here you go. Oh shit. Alright, I got the door. Oh no, never mind. Not what? What? One. How to control your breathing. Alright.
Okay, what did you just feel as you went by there? Was anything different?
What?
Thompson?
Right here? What's that, sir? What?
What did you just feel? Use your hands for your eyes. Is there anything different about what you just went along the wall?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Yeah. So what else might it be?
It's a door. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Let me cross the door. Hold on. You alright? Let me get out there. Here, you go out and open the door all the way. I'm going to help you pull that.